Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today it's the part 2 build of this 2018 Ford Focus ST, and today I believe we're going to try fixing the front and rear bumper because they did have a few little cracks and little indents and stuff like that, so maybe we'll see if it's salvageable or not. And also we did have the headlights come in, both headlights. Got some aftermarket ones which are amazing, can't wait to show you guys. Also did have a few other parts come in, so we'll be test fitting some stuff, seeing how stuff fits together, and try fixing these bumpers, and maybe we'll get the car looking more like a Ford Focus. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's do this. So guys, to start it off, we got this front bumper, and let me pull it out for you guys, get a better look. But I mean, you could see the insurance put like an X right here or something. You could clearly see. It's we'll try heating it up and maybe bending it out, and then throwing a little bit of Bondo on there to straighten it out. But the main part is right there, this crack. I actually just popped it in and it looks a lot better. But I'll try plastic welding that back together, and we'll have to sand these deep scratches out right here, or cracks. But besides that, this bumper looks flawless. I mean, that's all good. Fog light's good. Got a few more little dings right here, but nothing sandpaper can't sand out. Going with the top, we got another ding right there. Yeah, that looks about it. We were weed whacking, so we did get a little grass, but that's fine. It'll get washed off. Yeah, but other than that, the bumper looks flawless. Let's check out this rear bumper. I still need to take it off the car. But the rear bumper has some cracking right there, which is kind of bad, but we'll try getting it fixed. And also, this is the main part, is this right there. So maybe we could get that plastic welded and throw some Bondo on there and see if it'll cover it up. Well, let's get this bumper taken off and try fixing them. And the bumper off. The tail lights are right here. I'm surprised they make them this skinny and how they don't break, but you need to take off the tail lights to take off the rear bumper, and it's just on 2 plastic nuts like these, or whatever you guys want to call them. You just unspin them. There was one located in there and one located somewhere up there. It's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if it'll focus. Yep, you guys can see the hole right in there. But yeah, it's just that on both sides, and it was covered with one of these cloth covers, and you just unbolt those and then pick this up for the bumper to unclip and pull the bumper off. But going with the bumper, it's honestly spotless. Besides this indent right here and this crack, we will have to buy like a plastic welding bumper kit or something like that. Maybe we could get this fixed, or I guess we'll just have to wait and find out. But also, there is hidden damage, which I did not see. It whatever poked that hole on that bumper back there, it was definitely strong, because this whole rebar is just crunched back here. But the frame rails are good on both sides, so we'll just order a new one of these and bolt it right on in, because it's on bolts. And also, this crash sensor, I believe it is, the connector broke on it right there. Sorry about that. Let's see if it'll focus. But yeah, that's the other end. It's supposed to be on this sensor, but it broke off, and one of the pins are right there on the ground, so we will have to order a new crash sensor. But besides that, this car is honestly amazing. We'll have to start working on these bumpers, see if we could salvage one of them. There's one right there and one right here. See if we could salvage it, and if not, we'll have to get them ordered up. But yeah, let's start. Hey guys, so I just got the pieces off this bumper, front bumper right here, and we also did do a little bit of plastic welding here. Heated this up just a tad right here and tried bending it out, and also something over, not sure where, I think it was right here, you could barely see it. We fixed that too, just for more structure. But yeah, let's start sanding this and see if we could throw a little bit of Bondo on there. Hey guys, welcome back. We actually just got all the first rough Bondo on this bumper and all the spots. We got a few scratches underneath, so I just put Bondo in a few spots and we'll sand it down and see what it'll take out. But I'm not too worried about that because it's under the car. But we got a little more right there. Had a big little chip there, so I had to put it quite a bit. Over here it was just wrinkled just a bit, so I put some on top. And this was the main part. I threw a pretty big rough coat, so we'll get that sanded off and see how it's looking. Hey guys, welcome back. This bumper is looking fantastic. I mean, besides one spot where right here where it had the biggest crack, and we need to reinforce it more with some plastic welder or something like that, because you could see it's starting to crack there and there once it focuses there. But yeah, once we reinforce it more, we could throw some more Bondo on there. But other than that, there was just some rock chips and some scratches, like that one right there, and this was like another indent like over there, but it didn't crack, it just bent. So we got that all sanded up, looking OEM. And besides that, here's the one that was looking real weird before we had the bumper off. We will have to put a little more Bondo just to straighten it out more, but besides that, this bumper is coming back together and alive. And we'll get on that rear bumper right after we finish this. did have a late start today, so it's already getting dark on us, but I mean, it's a win-win here. We do have to let the Bondo dry too, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Hey, it's the next day here, and we got this second coat of Bondo fully cured now, and I also stopped by Harbor Freight in the morning a few hours before and picked up this plastic welding kit. It does have a few things. It did come with the main tool that heats up the plastic. I already have this warming up. It did come with this metal fencing stuff for stronger structure, and a few sticks of plastic. If you have gaps and stuff, you could fill it in, and just a few other miscellaneous brushes and things like that. So we'll definitely try fixing this rear bumper with more structure, and try fixing that one corner with this bumper for more structure too, because it was cracking earlier. I don't see any cracks now, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So let's get right into it. So guys, we just got some more plastic on there, and it looks just as good as OEM. As you guys can tell, I reinforced this spot right here with a lot of plastic, and then also this structure point right here. I put some more plastic in there too. So as that's cooling down, I think we're gonna jump on this other bumper, put it on here, sand it down a bit, and see if we could fix that one too. Hey guys, so we did just take off the two reflectors and whatever's left of the rear grille, and we also did take off a part of the bumper. It came in two pieces, and it was super easy to take off, so I just took off the lower part too. And this part has a few scratches on the bottom, but you won't really tell. I mean, we'll primer it and sand it all out, but going with the top end of the bumper, here's what we need to fix. This is one part, and this is the other part right here. So let's get this flipped over. You could tell this is a pretty big crack along with that, so let's try fixing it. Hey guys, how's it going? I just put a first coat of Bondo on this rear bumper. I also did sand down the plastic so it was all flat and stuff like that. But I did throw a first coat and 3 spots right there. And we're gonna wait for that to dry and jump on this front bumper, sand that down, and go. So guys, we got the front bumper on the stand, and we just got a few spots to sand down, like this, and one over there. So let's start sanding. Hey guys, so I did just get all this sanded down, and some places kept cracking because this isn't the special plastic Bondo that you're supposed to use on bumpers. I just wanted to give this a shot, but I did go on a few spots and just use these sticks and plastic welded some of it together, and it is turning out a lot better, and it's actually not cracking now. So I think I'm just gonna do that on the rest of it and put a thin layer of Bondo on top, that way just to straighten it out and fill in any holes. And yeah, I'll catch you guys after. Hey guys, we just threw this final coat of Bondo on and sanded it down on both bumpers, and I think let's get this cleaned up and start throwing some primer down. These bumpers fixed and painted, and it's starting to get dark in us, and it's coming towards the end of the video, so I think I'm just gonna end it here. In the next video, you guys will check out the new headlights I bought, along with a few other parts, which will be awesome. And I can't wait to start putting some parts on the car and getting the car back together, take it out. But yeah, like always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.